winter skincare routine updated because recently my skin has been going through it, but we're gonna talk about it, so yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For anybody new here, then my name is Rianne, and if you're not new, then welcome back. Today's video is gonna be a nighttime winter skincare kind of video. My summer routine is not the same as my winter routine. It used to be, but this winter that just was not working. So long story short, I was having allergic reactions on my face, which is why I haven't posted on YouTube in a while. I'm wearing makeup right now, but when I take off the makeup, you'll see what I'm talking about. Like, I've got red marks on my face and stuff, eczema flare-ups, you know, all of that great stuff. So instead of hiding like what I've been doing for the past like month, I decided, you know what, it's time to face the music. Let me actually fill you guys in and keep you guys updated on my new skincare routine, since I'm having eczema flare-ups and I'm sure some of you probably deal with similar things. Seasons changing, skin changes, stuff like that. So let's get into it. I've had makeup on my face for about 8 hours, so the first thing we're gonna do is remove my makeup, and then we're just gonna get into what products I've been using and what they do for my skin and how they can help you. Any skincare video, you know the wristbands have to come out. There's nothing worse than when you're doing skincare, like you're washing your face. This has makeup on it. Yikes, let's flip it inside out. There's nothing worse than when you're washing your face and then you've just got water dripping down your sleeves. Like, that is my ick. That is a pet peeve of mine and I cannot stand it. So wristband for the win. Recently I've been using this product from the Body Shop. You can see where I scooped some of that out, but I've been using this to remove my makeup. It is the Chamomile Sumptuous makeup cleansing butter. So what it is, it's a butter that melts the makeup off of your face. So you literally scoop some of it out, literally like that, because you don't even need too much, and you just rub that into your face. So that is melting the makeup off of my face. I've only got makeup on the bottom half of my face, so I don't need to put on my forehead or anything, but can you see how the makeup is coming off on my hands? But guys, because it's got chamomile in it, I know that chamomile is really good for your skin. I think it soothes your skin, and it's really like buttery, like it's so smooth and it makes the skin feel really soft. Sometimes when I wear makeup, my skin feels really dry after, especially if I've had a long day and I've been wearing like makeup from morning till evening. That just dries out my skin. But this, it just locks in moisture. Guys, you know what, you have to try it. Words are not even doing it justice. I love this, and the smell as well. You guys know already, I love the Body Shop, and anything from the Body Shop, it smells good. It smells tea. Whatever the makeup is, just rub it in. I'm trying my best to preserve my edges, but if I have to redo them, it is what it is. Now we're going in with some micellar water. So this one is from Superdrug. It's actually by Superdrug as well. It's the Cleanse Micellar Water, Aloe Vera and Chamomile Flower Extract. And I just used that to remove the rest of the makeup. What the butter did was loosen the makeup from my skin. So it was like dissolving the makeup on my face. So it's really easy to wipe off on the cotton pad. Because there's nothing worse than when you're using makeup wipes or cotton pads and you're there on your like 100th wipe and the makeup is still on your face. Nothing worse than that. So now the micellar water is just removing the makeup from my skin. Let's go in with some more micellar water. I literally just squirted so much of that on the floor. What micellar water do you guys use? Because I also have the simple one downstairs, and I have like an oil cleanser from them as well. The oil cleanser, I wasn't a fan of it. It did irritate my skin, which is why I bought like a new cleanser. But what micellar water do you guys normally use? Because I'm still hunting for the perfect one. Like, I like this one. I don't love it. I like it, but I'm open to suggestions. The next product we're gonna use, I started using this at the start of September, so it's only been like a few weeks that I've been using it now. It is the Aveeno Calm and Restore for Sensitive Skin Nourishing Oat Cleanser. Now, it's fragrance free. You guys already know anything with oats in it. It's good for inflammation in the face, I believe. Well, inflammation in your body as a whole, but I do believe that oats, when it comes to your skin, if you give yourself like an oat bath and stuff, it just soothes your skin of any irritation. So when I saw that it had oats in it, I said, let me just try it. Because at the start of September, I was willing to try anything, because when the weather started to get a bit colder, my skin didn't react well to it. Sorry, that's the Febreze thing. When the temperature started to drop and it was a bit cold outside, my skin started like having just bad reaction to it. So I had dry patches all over my face. You can probably see it on my eyelids that they're still kind of like just dry and irritated, like they're red. Around my eyes were all dried up and red. My skin was like, you know, literally cracking. My lips were turning different colors, like just different shades, guys. My skin has gone through it, and then on the bottom half of my face I had like rashes everywhere, so I still got like dark patches from where I had those rashes and stuff. And the thing is, this doesn't normally happen unless I'm having like an allergic reaction, so I thought my body was like disagreeing with something I was eating or like a product I was using. Whole time I think it was iron deficiency. Because as soon as I started taking my iron tablets again, I was okay. Like, my skin's still recovering, but it's much better than it was before. But the cold weather was not doing my skin any favors. So now we're focusing on locking in moisture to my skin. Forget about all the other products I was using, like Korean skincare, trying to get my skin to be like glass skin. I just want my skin to be moisturized. That's what I'm asking for this winter. Back to the point, this product, I love it, guys. Like, I really like it. It's not a foaming cleanser. I heard that apparently foaming cleansers, they're not great for when your skin is having like bad reactions, but foaming cleansers, they just weren't being suggested to me, so yeah. Let me put some water on my face. Let me try not to get these edges wet either, because I know I can't do them how my hairstylist did it, so yeah. Wet your face first and then just rub the oat cleanser into your skin. I use lukewarm water when I do anything with my face. Like when I'm washing my face, hot water is too harsh, but then cold water doesn't like remove any bacteria or anything from your face. So lukewarm is what you want to use. And we're just gonna rub that in around my eyes as well. When they said fragrance free, they were not lying. Like, this smells like nothing. Normally I like scented products, but you know, when your skin is having bad reactions, fragrance is the last thing you should be thinking about. Let's be real. Hey Siri, why are foaming cleansers bad for your skin when you're having an allergic reaction?
Okay, I found this on the web for why are both lenses bad for your skin when you're having an allergic reaction. Check it out.
That is literally not what I said, but okay. Once you rub that into your face, just wash it off with lukewarm water. That's all you do with that product. Guys, this cleanser is good, okay? Just trust me. Don't knock it till you try it. It's from Boots. I think I bought it for like £8, I think. It says gently cleanses and hydrates to preserve skin's moisture barrier. Prebiotic oats. Calming paraben. Feverin. Sorry, English is a bit hard right now. Another skincare tip is dry your face with paper towels. You see your bath towel that you use when you get out of the shower and you dry your whole body with it? That has no business being on your face. Even though you wash your towel frequently, it still carries bacteria. With paper towels, you use one, dispose of it. When you wash your face again, you use another one. That's literally it. Your body towel has no business touching your face. Another thing about drying your face, try to pat your face dry. Like, you can like go like that as well, but don't be rubbing your face really hard because it's just too harsh for your skin. Like, it's damaging to your skin. So just pat your skin dry. Now we're gonna go in with some turmeric soap. So what this does is any dark marks on my face, I'm just trying to brighten them. As a whole, it just brightens my face. I used to use kojic acid quite a bit, but I feel like because my skin isn't at its best, I don't want to put anything too harsh on it. So we're gonna go with turmeric soap because it's just more natural than putting an acid on my face, right? So I'm gonna put some water on my hands first. Just wet my face again. Some water in my hands as well. And just rub the bath soap. And then rub that on your face. My forehead doesn't have any like marks or anything on it, so I'm mainly focusing on the bottom half of my face because that's where I was having the reaction. So that's why I've got like all the dark marks and like patches on my face. So I'm gonna have to double check what brand this soap is, but I bought it on Amazon and I like it. Like, guys, it isn't fragrance. Like, it literally smells like earth. It smells like a piece of earth. Yeah, it's like real natural, guys. Yeah, it's like really natural. So that's how you know it's good. Like, guys, a lot of the, you know how people say everything that glitters isn't gold? Everything that smells nice, all of the skincare that smells nice, it's not always good for you because sometimes it has loads of chemicals in it. Fragrances that are gonna irritate your skin. You don't always need to go for like a perfumed cleanser. Is my camera about to die? Not now, please, not now. Now we're just gonna rinse it off. You don't want to leave on your face for too long or anything, just rinse it off. And then we're gonna go with our moisturisers. You guys used to hear me raving on about Epiderm all the time, but now I've got one called DermaCare. So this is Boots' original one. They're both fragrance free, but I do prefer this one. I just think this one keeps my skin moisturized for way longer. And then a very small amount of this goes a very long way, so don't have to use too much. By the way, these cleanser moisturizers, they're what I use in the morning as well. So it's not just my nighttime routine. This is just my winter skincare routine as a whole. The turmeric soap, I use that like twice a week, sometimes 3 times, but it's not every day. It's not an everyday thing. That's only using one product and my skin just feels so smooth and soft already. This is the last moisturizer that I use. It is from Aveeno. Not Aveeno, Aveeno. When I thought I was having allergic reactions, I realized that maybe I just need to give my skin some TLC, and I made the mistake of exfoliating my face twice. So I used, you know, the glove, like the exfoliating glove on my face, which is normal, like I do that, but I don't do it more than once a week. And I don't do it on irritated skin. My skin was irritated and I exfoliated my skin. Then on top of that, because I was getting like dark patches, I used kojic acid to try and even my skin tone, which once again, I've been using kojic acid, but just not on irritated skin. So as a result of that, I damaged my skin barrier. At least that's what it looked like, because when I looked on TikTok, a lot of the girls who had like similar like skin issues like what I had, they told me it was a damaged skin barrier. What is this countdown on my camera? What is it counting down for? You know what, let's just see. Let's just find out. Sorry guys, I don't know if the quality looks any different or anything. It's because the camera, it overheated, so it switched off. But we're going in with the Restorative Protective Cream. When I looked on TikTok, a lot of the girls were saying that like to restore their skin barrier, this cream was really good. So I bought it from Boots. Was it Boots? Yeah, I got it from Boots. It was like maybe £11, I think. Considering this small bottle was £11, I just assumed it had to be good. That's what I've been using on the bottom half of my face. And it has brought my skin back like to normal. It actually has. It does leave like a white cast, but you know, you just leave it on overnight and let it do its thing. So it's restored my skin barrier. I'll put pictures up because I think I took pictures of when my skin was acting up. I think I did. So I'll put some on the screen so you can see the difference, but you know, we're not back to normal yet, but we're on the way there. Like there's been progress, so I'm happy with that. The last thing, I don't think this is really skincare, but this is castor oil, and I just put that on my eyebrows. This has kind of turned into a nighttime routine video now, but you know, just putting you guys on game. Just a small amount of castor oil on my eyebrows, and then I use an eyebrow pencil, well, not a pencil, then I use an eyebrow brush to just brush them up with the castor oil in them. I want my eyebrows to be as thick as possible. I don't know, I just like the look of thick eyebrows, so I want to thicken them. Then on my lips, we go in with Eucerin. I saw a lot of good reviews about this on TikTok because when I was researching about like my lips changing color, they said that during the winter time, like your lips get a lot drier, which is obvious, but then this is really good apparently. So it's the Eucerin Acute Lip Balm. This does not irritate my skin at all. My lips don't get irritated by it, which is weird because my lips, actually can't just use any lip balm because there are a lot of products that don't agree with my skin, but this is fine. So if you've got sensitive skin, give this a try. And that is the end of our skincare video. So that is my nighttime skincare routine. That's what I do before I go to bed. A lot of the products, I use them in the morning as well. These are just suggestions because everyone's skin is different, so I can't promise you anything. All of the products I've used today, they work well for me, but still just test them out, see how they are. If you like it, then you like it. If you don't, you don't. But you know, these are just suggestions. Another thing I learned on this whole skincare journey that I've gone through for like the past month, check your iron levels. Like, I know I said that I started taking iron tablets and my skin started like going back to normal again, but if you haven't got an iron problem, then that's not gonna help you. So go get your iron levels checked. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water as well because you need to stay hydrated. Your skin is gonna be dry if you're not drinking water. Like, that's literally it. You can use 100 different skincare products, but if you're not drinking water, your skin will be dry. Anyway, I'm gonna go to bed now. So that's the end of the video and I will see you guys next time. Bye.